Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Notcoin, your daily update. Which Notcoin right now is one of the only cryptos that is actually still bullish. So I will also talk bullish about it today. If you look at it right now, I mean, fundamentally, we've already talked about that enough. All right, Ton is doing great, or at least it has done great in the last couple of months. I'm actually not sure how it's doing in the very short term. But Ton as a network is doing great. Notcoin was the first big meme coin on Ton. And therefore, usually the biggest meme coin on a network that's doing great will perform relatively well as well. That's also what I told you at the start. If you watch my first Notcoin video, I told you that fundamentally this should have some potential. We had a huge sell-off, of course, because there was a lot being airdropped. But a lot of that was sold off, got some bullish confirmations. And since then, we've been very, very bullish. And still right now. All right, yesterday in the video, what we talked about is that 1 cent was the main resistance level. So that's this level right here, obviously. Big psychological level, but it was also supported by some Fibonacci levels, which are the thick golden or orange lines. So what I said is that, well, it seems most likely that after some consolidation here, which you can always look that back. I never delete videos. So if you really want to check that out and see if that works, then you can. But what I said is that it's most likely that we will break above 1 cent and rally up to the first, I would say, massive Fibonacci level at 1.25 cents. All right, because if you look at the entire chart right here, what you can do is you can drag a Fibonacci level, or you can drag a Fibonacci retracement over the entire spike till the bottom, and then you have the 236 Fib right here at 1.25 cents, which is also a psychological resistance level. So that's where we are right now, and we're just going to ask, and we're just going to do the same analysis. Like at this moment, we're in a big uptrend since Monday. Do I see any reason why this uptrend should stop? That's the first question you should ask yourself. And at this moment, as you can see, Ton as a network, so fundamentally, we're still doing great. Ton is still increasing in total value locked. There are a lot of projects launching right now on Telegram in general that you can farm there. So that's also bullish for Notcoin, I would say, because it's the first one. And then if you look at the momentum is also still increasing. All right, if we saw some sort of a divergence here, right? So if we saw some sort of a divergence where the open interest was decreasing, where the price was increasing, anything that would have been bearish. But there's nothing bearish about Not right now. All right, so I have to tell you that I think is most likely will also rally up to 1.45 and 1.5 cents up here. That's the next target. 1.45 was one of the spikes at the start, and 1.5 is a big psychological resistance level. So that's my target, and I don't expect it. Even when this morning, when the market was relatively weak, Notcoin was still strong. So I just don't see any reason, except for the fact, I don't see any reason why we would fall, except for the fact that 1.25 cents is a strong resistance. All right, so right now, what we do need to do is we need to hold support levels. The main support level right now is between 1 cent and 1.1 cents. So that's right here. What I think is most likely is pretty similar to what I said yesterday, is that we'll find some strong resistance here, but that we will be able to hold this as support, consolidate, and then eventually we'll break out and rally up higher. Now, Bitcoin is quite volatile. If Bitcoin really starts dumping, or if you see a massive open interest decrease for Not, then there's a chance that this support level around 1 and 1.1 cents fails to hold. It's a possibility, but I'll keep you updated on that. For now, that doesn't look most likely. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.